What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back if you know me in real life, which I really hope you don't. But today is kind of unplanned. I figured we would go to Orlando and go to the outlets there. Apparently they open like a Gucci, a Versace, and a Prada outlet that I know of in one of like the premium outlets. If you live in Orlando or in Florida in general, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm hoping to find a new wallet and maybe like a headscarf. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm currently home and I'm about to leave because my dog is trying to like do her business and she needs to like finish. Look at her. Minding her business or whatever. So the first store we decided to go into was the Versace one, and everything was up to 80% off, and they had tons of jewelry. These were also some really cute shoes that I found. These were only $738, and these were only $500, which is kind of ridiculous. And then after that we went to the Gucci store, and they had tons of bags and wallets and stuff. Everything was really reasonably priced for what it was. For example, this bag that I fell in love with was like $2,200, the lady told me. She said the price had gone down because nobody had bought it, but they also have some of the older style bags, but I thought they were really nice. And they also had a ton of sunglass options. Some were really out there like these, but for the most part they had like nicer stuff that was around like $170, which isn't bad for some Gucci sunglasses. And they also had a ton of jewelry. It was ranging from like $150+ and these shoes that I fell in love with, oh my goodness, they were only $200, and the guy said he could find one in my size because this one was big, but it looks like it would just match with everything. Next we went off to the Prada Outlet, and this was their clothes section, which was huge. They had a ton of winter items because they were off season, like these booties that are super on trend right now. They were only $525. But I was here to look for a wallet, so that's what I did. We went to the purse section, and they had these glass cases full of stuff, and yeah, that's where I found my wallet. And I also found this bag like kind of hidden. It was so nice. I'm pretty sure it's from like a few seasons ago, but it was only $990. And these were some of like the prettiest bags I saw in there. They like never go out of style because they're so classic. And they also had Miu Miu in the store, which I thought was kind of weird, but it is what it is. And this is me just kind of making my purchase. The guy was really nice. Hi everyone, how are y'all doing? I just came back from the outlets and I got a little goodie from Prada. And this is the first time ever that I actually like bought something luxury at a luxury store. So I figured I would do a little unboxing. You guys kind of already saw how the outlets were in the previous clips. I didn't record inside the stores because they're really like anal about that stuff, you know? I feel like they'll like watch you and they'll be like, no, you can't film here. But anyway, here's the little box. It comes in this cute little box with the packaging. And I realized it also comes with this little card, which is super cute. I'm not gonna show the back, but it's like an actual credit card. And it says Prada on it to like show that it's real. And I didn't know Prada, like, especially out the outlets, I didn't think they would actually have that, but this is the actual thing. It's just a little wallet. This was what I was using beforehand, and it's like a little zippy pouch. And so I'd have to like take all my cards out, and I have like a ton of cards. I'm not gonna show them because I don't want to expose my numbers, but I used to have like 7 cards in here, so it was so hard to like find the one that I need. So I figured I would go for something like this. And it has like a little thing in the back here, and this is the front. It just says Prada, and then it has a little thing up here. It has another one down here, and it has one in the back too, and it also has this little thick part. And you can fit a lot of stuff in there, so I'll kind of show you how I would wear it. So I just put all my cards in here. So I have my main credit card in here and the second most used card, and then I also have the rest of my stuff in here, and I also have some cash in the back. So that's it, like kind of full, and it fits a chapstick in here too. It's kind of thick if you see it from the side. And I'm the type of person where like I'll take my phone out, like I rarely carry like a big purse. All I need is like chapstick and something to pay with, so like a card. And so I figured I'd put this little kind of necklace chain with it, and it turns into a little mini bag, and I thought this was adorable to use with like an outfit. Obviously it's not as like usable, but you know, it gets the job done. And it was only, I believe, $195 plus tax. It was like $207, so it was kind of a good deal. I saw them reselling online for a little bit more, but you know, could have been a better deal. But they also had a few other things like at Versace and Gucci that were pretty good deals compared to if you actually went to the store. So I definitely recommend going to the outlets, and definitely check out the Prada store because it's the biggest one there. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.